Hello everybody, Nexus Fan 01 here to do another video as I show you my cat's little area. And before you guys make any comments or anything, she doesn't have a bed because this might sound wrong, but she sleeps with me. And well, she wants to. Well, sort of. She used to, not anymore. But here is my cat. I gotta back up here. Say hi to the camera. For some reason, she likes laying in the litter box. She has 7 toes on each front foot. Here is her food dish and water dish. Here's Casa del Nexus Fan 01 recording area. I have to record my videos, extra shit, extra games and stuff. So yeah, that's Casa del Nexus Fan 01. This camera is being a douchebag. And I see you guys later. I'm gonna record some more random shit as I will be singing Cult Personality and a Ring Rope Rebellion song, or a couple of Ring Rope Rebellion songs that you gotta subscribe to them and like them on Facebook as well. And I will see you guys later.